Hey guys, I'm sitting on the floor here in the middle of this repair job. Literally, this is the bathroom, and this heating board here is a hot water baseboard. Basically, throughout the years, this has been here for 20 years, it got all rusted in the top and the front. I already took the front now. I have it outside. I ordered some new ones from Home Depot. This is the new one, 4 feet. I have everything brand new in the box. But here's my problem, removing this one. As you can see, it's so tight to the wall. There's really not much space. I mean, you can see back there, not much space at all. The wiggle room is not much at all. And here's my biggest problem. You see that? Right there. The bottom has a lip, and that lip needs to come out. For it to come out, I have to get creative. I would have to either cut more and let this come forward on both sides. As you can see, it's very tight. There's no room for it to wiggle at all. Or my next trick, which I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna be bending these on the other side, on the inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bend them like this, one after the other. See that? And that's gonna give me at least ½ an inch, and I'm hoping that ½ an inch that I get is gonna be enough to get this out. So we're gonna put this back, gonna put it back the right way, but we're gonna start back here. I actually gonna fix all of them that are a little bit bent, but yeah, this is the only way, is by bending this back. See that? Some of them are very damaged. I'm gonna use a tiny screwdriver to bend them properly, one after the other, and get them all done. Or perhaps, let's see, can I start in this corner? I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters what corner I start, but I need to find a way to bend them so that they kind of, give me enough space, and then I'll be able to get this job done. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so just wanted to show you guys again. This is the technique that I'm using for bending them, right? With a screwdriver like this, real little, insert it, and then I just flip it. See that? Just like that. Next one, same thing. All the way down, and just flip it. And I mean, look at it. Look how much space it creates. Creates a lot of space, which is gonna be the space that I'm gonna need to pull this off. So look guys, I bent all of them. Some are not perfect, but I'm gonna be fixing them. But look at the space that I have. I have a lot of space. So next, I'm gonna be working and pulling them up. Okay guys, I wanna continue showing you guys the rest of the video. So basically, after I bent that, now I'm able to just, you see it coming out? Look at that. So you could just pull it up, even bend it forward. See that? I'm bending it forward, and the whole thing is just coming out. Look at that, just sliding right out. See? So that's it, all out. See that? Bam. This was a pain, but yeah. So now I'm gonna clean back here, and we're gonna install the new one. Let me just show you guys the new one. The new one is not the same brand. It's a little bit different, but let's get this in here. Okay, so here's the new one. As you can see, that's what it looks like. But here's the best part. Look at the bottom. You see this edge? It's so much smaller than the one that I removed. I mean, look at the space on that. It's pretty big, right? And the new one is so much thinner, which means it'll be able to get back there without a problem. I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, so that's gonna be my next thing, is to slide this one in. Okay, so here goes the new one. Should be easy. That's 1, 2, 3. And look at that, perfect size. They're identical. So what I want to do is secure it to the wall. I'm actually going to use the same locations that they had these nails. So that way we put it right on the beam, you know. Some people will use a screw, but I have a nail, so I'm just going to use the nail. Actually, you only need 2. I'm not going to go crazy with it. So I'm just going to put 2 nails on this thing and then continue with the rest. Okay, got the nail in. Both sides. I mean, look at how nice and sturdy, like very, very sturdy. Next thing I'll probably do is, you know, paint this area or just clean it a little bit because you can see little marks, but it's no big deal. No big deal. I think it's just the wall. This whole area got a little dirty, but. Okay, now the next step is to get these installed, right? We're going to be sliding in that corner, but what you want to do is you want to flat this out. You know what I mean? Bend it all the way out, get it nice and flat, and that's how you're going to get it to slide back there. See what I mean? Okay, got both of them in place. And by the way, if you look at it, it's got 2 spots for nails, here and the bottom. So, which means I could have used that hole for the nail instead. But man, this thing is so sturdy that I'm not even gonna bother with it. You know what I mean? I could put a nail on it. I could screw it in. Right now I'm just trying to make it even, so they're kind of like right in the middle, and then put the rest. But guys, you get the idea. Okay, now I started the unbending process. So as you can see, I'm doing these already. Same technique, just kind of bending it back into place and try to make everything. Not easy. I'm actually using a tweezer too to make sure I get them to look nice and perfect like the front. It may not be perfect, but guys, the way this works, as long as there's space in between, this heater is gonna work fine, you know. So all right, let's keep going. I still got a few more to go. That is the part that's the hardest. So right now, whoo, just finished. Look at them. Not so bad, huh? Not so bad. So I'm pretty impressed with the results. And now our final piece is just to mount this in. Literally, that's gonna slide in. So I'm gonna slide this on the top and then put the bottom in. That's it. Okay guys, all finished. Check out the corner. Phew, very nice. Other corner, very nice. I'm very happy, and that's it. I'm gonna leave it open for now, but yes, all set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.